Indeed, those officers and Habib el-Adly are back in that same courtroom where they were with Hosni Mubarak yesterday on these charges of ordering security forces to open fire on protesters. Now, so far today, the hearing has been about procedural issues. The prosecution lawyers have begun presenting their evidence to the court. Numerous boxes of documents, files, CDs, and even guns used by members of the police force that are being opened and inspected by Judge Ahmed Rifat. And he's then telling the court what documents and what contents each box has in it. He's then invited the defense lawyers to go into a separate room to examine these boxes of evidence. But there are still legal wranglings over whether the case of el-Adly should still be joined to that of Hosni Mubarak or not, even though they're in the same charge. El-Adly's lawyers have requested that the case should be heard with that of Mubarak, but the judge said he would go ahead with the proceedings today and make a decision on that at the end of today's session, and that would mean an adjournment until August 15th. Now, you might have noticed that Habib el-Adly is wearing a blue prison suit, and that's because he's a serving prisoner. He's already been sentenced to 12 years in prison on corruption charges. Yesterday, when we saw Hosni Mubarak and the other defendants in the dock, they were wearing white prison suits. That's because they're still on remand and haven't been sentenced yet. So whatever happens with this case, Habib el-Adly won't be walking free for many years to come.